Do I feel correctly that we're going to walk over there?
Yes, you feel that correctly. So Zoli is rocking some absolutely perfect clothing for today hike. He has the haori, right? It's called haori, beautiful, with the cap that he bought in Kyoto. Let's just look at what it is. Fantastic, and a Super Mario T-shirt. That's for today. So it's gonna be a perfect blend of traditions and the modern world in Japan. I think the mountain will love us as we go up.
Yes.
It's 9:20. The ships are just coming in, so we thought that it's really time to start going because there's gonna be a lot of people. But we have a hope that they would go only to the shrines, so they would not go up to the mountain. About the previous days, we were not talking that much because it was incredibly hard to talk in the ryokans. They were small ones and they might have not been appropriate if we are just loud and talk about things because the neighbors would be hearing us, and that's really not the nicest thing to do. And then we happened to be in a love hotel in Himeji, which on booking.com it was not advertised as a love hotel. So if you go and book there again, it's gonna be all right, so you can do it, but it's obviously not a place where you would do a vlog, so I skipped that one. And now we are in Miyajima. We are in an incredibly nice place where we have a special permission to film from the ryokan itself, which is very nice. They were very supportive when they heard that we might make videos. So they agreed for us to have the room and the facilities, obviously not the public bath, but the other facilities can be included into the videos. So that's why I thought that it's just better to show you around and see this absolutely fantastic view and show you how roasted I look, because really even my face is like roasted chicken, maybe a little bit overdone chicken. No, anyway, so we will be setting ourselves to go soon. We will walk quite a long trail up the mountain, but we will also take the ropeway car, so it shouldn't be that long because well, if we are walking up I think it's like 2 hours, but if we take the ropeway cars halfway, then let's say half an hour or an hour of walking if we are not in a hurry, which we are definitely not. And also we can do some very nice videos from the ropeway car, so it's gonna be nice. Már 2 napra elégnek kéne lenni. Na, ha eddig nem fértél.
Ja.
Nézzél hát.
Még alkalmazkodom a látványhoz, meg ezhez.
Ja, hogy te?
Igen.
Ez már az a szint, ahol már baj van?
Hát még lát belőle.
Nem lesz baj.
it's a bit different to be here and in Tokyo. You can't compare.
I guess it's Kyoto was quite cool, but maybe just because it felt like I live in Hamburg,
Yeah.
and it just felt like Hamburg. I don't know. It's like there's this river, and they have like a shopping district right next to it. It's like it's constructed like my hometown, so it just felt like it was like that. It's also like a pretty busy city, so
It is.
We spent there 1 week or so.
Yeah, almost 1 week.
oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking about our experience not yesterday, but the day before in Himeji in the restaurant when we entered and everybody was shouting, "Irashimasu!" It was like, please guys, just relax.
Yeah, it's so different. It's so different from what we got used to in Europe.
It's like, here's the table.
Yeah,
It's like you're trying to be as little noticeable as possible. Especially in Sweden, especially, you're not supposed to make a sound. Just eat, go.
It's quite cool actually that you're. It's not bad to do it.
yeah, you can really enjoy your food. Like she can testify that I'm
Yeah, he's getting there.
quite good at it.
It makes so much fun.
I can't wait to get back to Hungary and eat with my co-workers.
You spilled it all over.
That's culture, man. That's culture.
Bro, that's what I learned.
Yeah, okay. I already bought some masks. Oh, thank you. I will go into the office wearing a mask. I don't know, with a lot of charms on my.
It's like you get a glass of water. It costs like €3. I don't know. Like really, you pay for water basically. Wow. I mean, the water is pretty much drinkable everywhere. In the,
Tap water.
the cup water. And you could just basically drink water at home and then just get a soft drink or anything in the restaurant. But if you want to water, you need to pay for it.
Yep. Well, not in Sweden. In Sweden, you get a bottle of water, but it's still,
No, you need to pay. You need to pay for everything. So when you go out and eat something, it's like okay. One other thing is that in Europe, mostly the waiters, they come to your table. But here you need to call them sometimes, and I'm not into that. I mean, there's so much social interaction just eating.
yeah, which is for Europeans, it's like the hell, because we really don't want to be noticeable.
Yes, you just sit on the table, talk to each other, and go. And
Yeah.
here it's like, everyone's like talking to each other. You call the waiter, they do not always like come around.
Yes.
And you get greeted, and
Yes.
you get a goodbye when you leave.
Yeah.
So,
You kind of feel bad, don't you? It's
yeah,
like,
why am I getting so much attention?
yeah, it's like,
Eating.
I'm not special.
I always think like, is it okay? I just ate like this thing for around 800 yen. Do you need to order more?
Yeah, should I pay more? Or order something else?
They have so much service.
Like a bowl of ramen or a bowl of soda.
Oh, idea.
Oh, hello.
I was in Nara and I bought one of those crackers. They were like, oh shit. It's like, they ran me over.
They attack you. No.
Yeah, so, I mean, they're cute, but when you got the crackers, I was like, they turn into sharks. Like, for real. I was like giving out the crackers in below a minute of time.
So they were literally, if you were not precocious, then they took the paper, map, whatever they found, and just ate it. So many kids, and they even have it somewhere written that take care of your GR pass, because if the deer eats it, we are not gonna give you another one.